nights nobody knows. There are tears nobody sees. There are wounds hidden beneath a smile, and a heart crying silently. To every woman and to every mother, you are not alone, I am with you, Jesus said. You are not alone. You are not alone.
She gave her strength to everyone, but nobody asked if she was tired. She carried children in her arms while carrying battles in her heart. She smiled when she wanted to cry. She stood when she wanted to fall. But somewhere in the middle of the night, she whispered, Jesus, do you see me at all?
To every woman and to every mother, you are not alone, I am with you, Jesus said. I see your tears, I know your pain. You are not alone. You are not alone. He has never left you. When your heart is breaking, Jesus is still holding you. When nobody hears you, He hears every cry. When you have no strength left, He will be your strength tonight. To every woman and to every mother, you are not alone, I am with you, Jesus said. You are not alone. You are not alone. Jesus is with you. She prayed for the child who walked away. She cried for the home she tried to save. She prayed through nights without an answer and wondered how much more her heart could take. She has called everybody else, but now there is nobody left to call. Then through the silence of the midnight, she hears a voice whisper through it all. To